guys, welcome to my channel Benin Bibo TV. Today we going to play with our slime. We did it together my best friend Teba. Hi. This is a slime. This is my slime. We're gonna play with it. This is really beautiful colors. This is light blue and like little pink. Yes. This is my slime. I really like it. This is our slimes. It's really beautiful. Yes, to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below what do you think of these slimes. Bye!